Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome to another video on KSY Creations. In this video, we will see how to make a sander with help of this hard disk. Along with this, we need some sandpapers. I have several grade sandpapers. This is 120 grade sandpaper. This is 220. This is 1000 grade. This is 150. And this is 320. It is not necessary that we need all these sandpapers. You can take one of them. You can take 220 or 120 grit sandpaper to make a sanding machine. We will open this hard disk. After removing all these 6 screws, one screw will be under this sticker. We have to remove this sticker. Here is the screw. There is one more sticker here. We have to remove this. Now we have to remove this hard disk. Before that, we have to remove these magnets and this header. In this, you will get two powerful magnets. You can use them somewhere else. This is the magnet. To remove this bottom magnet, we have to remove this header. For this, we have to open this screw here. Before opening the screw, make sure this header is in rest position, that is here. Now you can open the screw here. In this way, you can remove the bottom magnet. Now I can remove this hard disk also. In this way we can remove the hard disk. I will fix this header back because without this header the motor will not work. I will keep this aside and take this disk. I am taking this 220 grit sandpaper and mark the size of the disk. Now I will simply cut this with the scissor. Now with help of the Fevicol, I will stick this sandpaper onto this hard disk. I have applied Fevicol on this. I will simply stick this on the hard disk. Now I will let it to dry for some time. In the same way, I have made these other discs also. This is 1000 grit. This is 120 grit. This is 320 grit. And this is 150 grit. I can fit any of these discs and use them according to the requirement. Now we'll see how we can use this. Simply we have to take the disc and fit onto this motor. And I will put these screws so that this can be on its place. I will connect this to SMPS and show you. We will use this 150 grit SanDisk now. You can simply remove this disk and replace with other.